not sure if anybody else's e-stop button is like this, but I'm going to figure out a way to correct it so that it faces the right direction, because it's bugging the heck out of me. So stay tuned. Alright, so I think I figured out how to take this cover off. So there's one screw here, there's one screw here, and then there's one screw right here. So I'm going to go ahead and remove those now. So with that, with those 3 screws removed, I think we can take, yeah, it looks like this just slides right out. Yep. And then looks like we just have to loosen that nut up there and then twist the e-stop and then tighten that back down. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So here's another view of that, the nut for the e-stop. So it's kind of tricky to get a wrench in there. You may be able to, I'm not sure. I don't think you can, but I'm going to use a pair of pliers and just gently loosen it up, turn the e-stop, and then tighten it back down. Alright, so with it loosened up, I was able to, it kind of made me nervous doing it. I didn't want to break it, but with it loosened up, I turned it and I just twisted. So I made sure it was loose. So then I just twisted it and got it into the right position. So with it in the right position, I'm going to go ahead and tighten that nut up. Tighten it by hand, and then I'll just snug it up with the pair of pliers. Alright, so with it all tightened up, straight, gonna go ahead and replace the cover on the front here. And then put those 3 screws back in. 2, 1. Alright, so there you have it. Now it's straight instead of all twisted and crooked on there. It was just driving me nuts. But yeah, anyways, if you're gonna do it, just make sure you're careful. You don't want to break anything in there, or you know, pull any wires out or strip anything. So just you know, be careful when you're doing that. So anyways, hopefully this helped you out. I know I saw some people on the forums, they were also bringing it up that theirs were crooked as well. So hopefully this helps them out. All right, thanks. Till next time, see ya.